Hi guys, it's Rich from Plumbdog here. I'm out at a property that I was at a few weeks ago. We videoed and posted a video of how the inspection shaft and the drain was broken and really twisted. So back here today to dig up and repair that section and yeah, take a look at what we found. Found a massive tree root that's wrapped around the pipe and strangled it, and the tree root's bigger than my leg, hey. So yeah, this is going to be a nasty one to cut that out and replace that section. So take a look. Alrighty, that's the hardest piece out of the way. So had to dig down a lot deeper than I hoped, and the tree roots were a hell of a lot thicker than I hoped. Check the girth of these. Look at that, as big as my head. So there's actually two major tree roots that were twisted around that pipe and just squeezed the life out of it. You can actually see on this piece here, you can actually see like a ripple in here. You can actually see where it's like got the shape of a pipe in the root. So yeah, that was crazy. And then here's the actual break. So this is the junction from the house, and the tree roots have just broken that and then grown right inside, causing the blockage. So what you will have noticed is that I had to heat up the pipe. I couldn't physically go any deeper than I went, and then it's changed direction underneath the tree anyway. So you notice I was trying to join onto a pipe which is, it's not round, it's slightly misshapen. So a little trick there, I heated it up a little bit with a map gas just to get a little bit soft, and then I put a slab repair fitting inside of it, which basically brought it back to circular so that we can put a new bit of pipe in. So so where we're at the moment, you can just see down there, there's the new junction, and I've concrete around it. So that's setting, and whilst that sets a little bit, just going to put the drain camera downstream and upstream towards the house and make sure there's no other root intrusions. Once I'm happy with that, I'll glue in the final shaft riser, bring that up to surface. All right, job done. So we've replaced a twisty bit of pipe. Thanks to that tree. And we've installed a new circular bit of pipe. This tree is not my friend today. Anyway, it's gonna get to see another day. And under here, under this mound, is the new inspection shaft cap. So next time a plumber needs to access the drains, you lift up the lid, unscrew the cap, and you'll find a nice round piece of pipe. So alrighty, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to give us a like and follow, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.